Hello friends, this is roti kitava from city Siantar. It's very delicious product, very good roti with sesame seeds, and now they have roti kitava with chocolate. Let's try now roti kitava. Good. Very nice, very crispy. Welcome to Toba Lake and welcome to Siantar to find some good product. Very delicious roti kitava from Siantar city. Welcome to Siantar to try roti kitava.